Hey Mel, did you see that?
No.
I just killed that Gap.
Yeah, you landed Switch?
No?
Well, then I guess I didn't miss anything.
Ha ha. Hey, is that a new SLR? It's nice.
Yeah, it's amazing. Might even make you look good.
Yeah, but you gotta aim it at something to actually take a picture. You just missed a prime opportunity.
Yeah, right.
How about I give you another shot?
You mean the chance to shoot you skating? Oh, what did I do to deserve this?
I'm just saying, it's a good way to practice with that new camera of yours.
Fine, I'll follow you a few spots. Ooh, maybe I can get some good pics of you bailing off something famous.
Yeah, very funny.
Okay, big shot, I only got 20 photos left. Almost. Give it another try. Worthy of a disposable camera. Okay, I'm impressed. These pictures are sweet.
Hey, yo, what it look like? Any good?
Hell yeah, they're good.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Stevie Williams? You're Stevie Williams!
Yeah, I am. Nice shots.
Thanks.
Your skating practically put this place on the map. But don't you live in LA now?
Yeah, dogs. But I gotta do this thing for a magazine, so they flew me back for a couple days. Gotta rep for love, you know?
Hey, it's your park, bro. I mean, we'll bounce if you...
Wait, I'm down with the local Philly skaters. You seem like you the real deal.
Hey, Stevie!
Can I show your pics to my photographer?
Hey, Stevie!
Yo, Bryce, come check this out.
Wow, these are some killer shots, my friend. How long you been shooting?
Well...
My girl just got that camera.
Damn, girl. Well, if you don't mind, we'd like to take your friend here to do some more skating.
What, with you?
Hell yeah.
And you should tag along too. See how it's done. You cool with that?
Yeah, you kidding?
Okay, let's go, my man. Hey, let me see.
Yeah, I can see where you're going with this. Right on.
A grind on this.
Can always be worse. You're getting there. Hey, it's not the worst thing I've seen.
The Love Park triple set is famous, man. You gotta get some pics of us clear.
That's a sick sequence.
Hey, beat me in the slums. Yo, I'm sure your girl got some good solid shots, but I bet my guy got 20 banging sequences just now.
For real?
Yeah, man, for real. You killed it. I'm gonna have to pass the key to Love Park to your narrow ass one day.
Nah, Stevie. Love will always be yours.
Make some manual and flip tricks down the street. Show me what you got, player. Man, you really kill it. Hey, I see you back at Love, so we can start shooting.
Oh, Stevie was right about you. Those